Ever wished you could travel the world without worrying about pesky foreign transaction fees or confusing exchange rates? It's a common dilemma for globetrotters. How do you manage your money overseas without losing a chunk of it to fees or getting caught off guard by fluctuating currency values? Traditional debit and credit cards can hit you with surprising charges, and carrying large amounts of cash isn't exactly safe. So, what's a savvy traveler to do? That's where the Westpac Worldwide wallet comes in, offering a solution designed to make international spending simpler and more cost-effective. What is the Westpac Worldwide wallet? The Westpac Worldwide wallet is essentially a prepaid travel money card that you can load with Australian dollars, AUD, and then convert into various foreign currencies. Think of it like a digital wallet specifically for your travels. Instead of relying on your regular bank card, this card allows you to lock in exchange rates before you even leave home, giving you greater control over your budget. It's a MasterCard, so it's widely accepted wherever MasterCard is. So, what makes this card a smart choice for your next adventure or even for online international shopping? First up, no load, reload, or unload fees. That's right, you won't be charged just for putting money on the card, topping it up, or taking your leftover funds off. This is a significant advantage over many other travel cards. You can preload and convert AUD into up to 10 different foreign currencies, including popular ones like USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, JPY, THB, ZAR, SGD, NZD, and HKD. By converting your funds in advance, you can lock in exchange rates, protecting yourself from unfavorable currency movements while you're abroad. This means you know exactly how much you have in the local currency. When it comes to ATM withdrawals, you can enjoy no ATM withdrawal fees at Westpac Group ATMs in Australia and over 50,000 Global ATM Alliance ATMs overseas. This can save you a bundle, especially if you plan on withdrawing cash frequently. The card also offers some neat perks. You get MasterCard Zero Liability Protection for fraudulent transactions, giving you peace of mind. Plus, there's a flight delay pass that can grant you and a companion access to over 1,000 airport lounges if your flight is delayed by 120 minutes or more. A truly welcome benefit during travel mishaps. You also get access to MasterCard travel rewards for cashback when shopping overseas and priceless cities experiences. Managing your funds is a breeze. You can easily check your balance, view transactions, and convert currencies on the go using the Westpac app or online banking. It's also compatible with Google Pay, allowing for convenient tap-and-go payments. And for added security, you get 2 cards when you sign up, providing a backup if one is lost or stolen. While the Westpac Worldwide wallet offers many advantages, it's good to be aware of a few points. If you spend in a currency not supported by the card, or if you run out of a specific currency, the transaction will automatically draw from other loaded currencies, and the applicable exchange rate at that time will apply. Also, while Westpac doesn't charge ATM fees at Global ATM Alliance ATMs, some independent ATM operators might impose their own charges, so always be mindful of on-screen prompts. The Westpac Worldwide Wallet is a fantastic tool for managing your money when traveling or shopping internationally. It helps you avoid common fees and gives you better control over your spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.